Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to customize your lock screen to look just like this one. To do it, we are going to be using the LockStar module inside the Good Lock app. This module lets you redesign every single element on your lock screen, but you must first have the Good Lock app installed on your device. If you don't have the Good Lock app installed yet, pause this video and check out my step-by-step installation guide linked in the description below. Otherwise, let's get started. To start, open Good Lock and find LockStar. So I'm going to open Good Lock. Mine is right here. I'm going to tap here. Good Lock is right here. I'm going to tap it to open. Now inside Good Lock, let's look for LockStar. LockStar is right here. If you don't have LockStar installed on your device, what you have to do is just tap on this download icon to download and install LockStar. LockStar is now installed and it will be grouped at the top as one of the modules installed on this device. Now tap on it to open. You'll get this pop-up notification right here at the bottom saying that to LockStar work properly, you have to turn off battery optimization for LockStar. In this case, I'm going to turn off and then tap here. Okay. This is the main LockStar page. The other way to get to the LockStar page is through the Gallery app. Let me show you how to do that. Now here, tap on the Gallery app, tap on the image you want to set as your lock screen image. Then tap on these three dots at the top, tap on Set as Wallpaper. Then right here at the bottom, you get this pop-up notification. Tap on Lock Screen. And this will open the LockStar main page. From here, you can make all the changes you want. Even change the image you just selected. Let's start from the features at the top to the bottom. To start, let's tap here on this image icon. And this will take us to the wallpapers page. And right here, you can select all the images you want. You have this featured Samsung papers. If you tap here, you can see that you have a very limited options. To select one, you just tap here. And that image will be selected as your lock screen image. Let's go back again. And you can see right here, if we scroll down, you have the option to select image from your gallery. You have option to select image created with AI. If you keep scrolling down, you have graphical image. If you tap here, you get a limited options of graphical images. Let's go back. If you keep scrolling down, you have colors and you also have wallpaper services. Now for this tutorial, we are going to focus here on gallery. If you tap here, it will take you to your gallery. From here, you can select any image from your gallery. Let's select this image in this case and then tap here on done. And you can see that the image for the lock screen changed. Now let's customize the lock screen. To customize the lock screen, just tap here on the clock. You'll get this pop-up windows at the bottom that brings a lot of clock customization. And as you can see, for this design, I have this clock selected. You can select this one, the first one. You can see that design changes. You can select this one, and you can swipe to the left to see the other options that are available here. You can select this one. You can also select this one or this one. You can select any option from here. If you tap here on these three dots and you have downloaded a different font that you want to use, this is where you're going to find your fonts. For this tutorial, we are going to focus on the default options. Now let's tap here to go back. And for this tutorial, I'm going to select this option here, this swatch here. I like this swatch because this swatch adjusts based on the subject, based on the main subject of your image. In this case, for example, let me show you. We have this car here. If I go back and select a different picture, for example, this one here, click on done, you will see that this watch adjusts based on the main subject of your image. I kind of like more this watch. Now let's go back, select the image that we had here before, this one here, click on done. So this is the image that we are going to use, and as you can see, now I changed the image, the clock adjusted based on the main subject of this image, in this case this car. Now let's tap again here. So I have selected this clock here. Down here you have this slider which you can use to adjust the size of the font. For example, you can tap and hold and then drag it to the left. You will see that the font becomes very thin. If you go to the right, it becomes much bolder. I think the best size is right around here. At the bottom, you also have the option to select the color of the font. You have many options. If you scroll to the end, you also have the option to select more colors. If you want, just tap any one of these and then tap on done, and that will be the color selected. As you can see, there's a tick here, and that will be the color for your watch. In this case, I'm gonna keep this blue one here, and then right here at the top, still inside this window, you have the style. Tap on it. You can see here that you have more watch options. You have this style here, you have this one here, you have this one. If you keep scrolling, you also have this style here. You have this one. In this case, this one is a calendar, which includes the time right here at the top. And you also have this one here and this one. For this tutorial, I'm gonna keep this one. And right here at the bottom, you also have the option to show the weather. And as you can see, mine is on and the weather is right here at the top. If I tap on it to disable, the weather will disappear. If I tap again, the weather will appear. And this option right here at the bottom allows you to change the position of the day and the weather to the bottom. If I tap on it, it will go to the bottom. If you enable it, it will go to the top. If you're okay with all the changes we have done here, just tap outside it. To save all the changes that we have done here, what you have to do is just tap here on done. Your changes will be saved and your lock screen will be set. To confirm, just close your phone and then tap on open. As you can see, we have our time here, we have the date and the weather right at the top. Now let's go back to make more changes. To go back to the LockStar page, what we have to do is go to the Good Lock apps. Inside here, find LockStar. In my case, LockStar is here because we already have it downloaded. Tap on it and it will take us to the LockStar main page. By the way, if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. It really helps support the content. Below the time, you also have the option to add widgets. To add widgets, what you have to do is just tap here on Add Widgets. Tap there. It will bring these options where we can select the widgets to add to the lock screen. In this case, I'm going to tap here on Battery. Tap here. Tap again. Let's select Calendar. Let's select here Day. And you can see as I tap here, any of these options, the widgets will be added right here inside its area. To remove, you just have to tap here on this minus and the widget will be removed. Let's tap again to add. I think this is enough. Let's tap here outside this area to close that window. And you can see here that I have the battery and I have the date. To save these changes, what you have to do is just tap here on Done. It will be saved. Now let's go to the lock screen and see the changes that we have made. Now we are in the lock screen and you can see here that I have the battery widget and the date widget. Now let's go back to the LockStar. Let's tap again. You can add more widgets if you want. In this case, for me, these two are enough. Below widgets, you have the option to add your favorite apps to the lock screen. Now, having your favorite apps to the lock screen does not mean you will be able to access the apps through the lock screen without unlocking your device. This is just a quick way to have the apps right in your lock screen, so you can click on it unlocked and go straight to the app without the need to open and look for the app, tap on it and open the app. To add an app to the lock screen, what you have to do is just tap in this area here. This is the area where you are going to add the app. Just tap here. It will bring these windows where you can add or remove your favorite apps, but you can also disable this option. To disable, just tap here. It will disable. You can see here it disappears. To enable, just tap again and it will enable this feature. To add an app, just tap here on this plus icon. It will take you to the app shortcut and you can select the app from this list. Let's select one here. I'm gonna tap this one here. And you can see once you select the app, it will go straight to the available space. To remove, just tap on this minus icon. Now let's add again and then tap here on apply. And you will see here that the Google Play app was added to your favorite apps list. Right here at the bottom, you have the option to align this feature. Currently, this one is selected. You can select this one here. It will be vertical. You can select this one here. And this one here only changes the position of this icon here, which is the icon that you're going to tap to show your favorite app and tap again to collapse. If you tap here, you can see the position of the icon changes. If you tap this side, it changes to the right. I like to keep on the left side. And if you're done with these changes, just tap on here to close that window. If you don't like the position of your favorite apps, what you can do is just tap here and drag it to the right, to the left, to the bottom, or align it in the center of your lock screen. So you can see you get this guide. Once you center it right in the middle, you get this guide, and then release, and you'll get your favorite apps right in the middle of your screen. If you're done with the changes, what you can do is just tap here on done to save it. Now let's go to the lock screen to see the changes we have made. You will see right here your favorite apps. Tap on it to see all the apps that you have available and tap again to collapse. In this case, I don't like the position right here. It's not in the middle. So what I'm going to do is go back here to the LockStar and change that position. Even though we have aligned this to the center, I don't like the position of the menu button, which is outside the center. So what I'm going to do here is change this to vertically. I'm going to tap here. I'm going to change this to vertically. I'm going to tap outside and I'm going to drag this to be right here close to the call button. And then I'm going to save it, go back. You can see I like this much better. You can tap on it and it will show all my favorite apps. If I tap on it, it will turn on the touch. If I tap again, it will turn it off, and if I tap on it, it will collapse. I'm going to set this a little bit higher so it does not stay on top of the call button. I think this way is much better. Right here at the bottom, you also have the option to add a message. For example, if for some reason your device got lost, you can add there, return to Wilson at this phone number. Now let's add a text message there. Tap here on LockStar and you can see that once you tap on LockStar, you have many more options for customization. In this case, we just want to add a text. So I'm gonna type here on text and you can write whatever you want here. You also have the option here to select the font, the size, the alignment, the transparency, and the color. For now, let's go to the main page to see what we've done. So this is the text we just added. Let's tap on it to customize it further. Right here, you can select the font. You can select this one, or this one, whatever you want. I'm going to select this one here. I'm going to adjust the size. I think this size is better. I'm going to align it to the center, and I'm going to adjust this transparency to around 50%. Change the color, maybe to this blue here. Now I'm going back to the main page. I'm gonna tap and hold here on the text and align it to the center. Right there. If you want to remove this message here, what you have to do is just tap here on LockStar and then tap here on help text. It will bring this option here. Tap here to disable. That message will disappear. Now I'm going to tap and hold this message that I have written, and I'm going to drag right here to the bottom to that position and center that. You can tap and hold here and drag it up, this LockStar icon, so I can see the text I've created and can see that it is right in the middle. So now I'm going to save the changes. Then I'm going back to the lock screen, and you can see right here at the bottom the text that I have written. Now let's go back to lock screen. For some reason, if you decide you want to remove the text, what you have to do is just, I'm gonna drag this here, just tap and hold here, and then you can see while you are holding and moving, you can see that the bin appears. Just drag inside the bin and you will delete that message. If you tap again on LockStar, you can see here that you have a lot of other options to play with. If you want to see a deep dive into all these options, give a like to this video and leave your request in the comment section. Inside LockStar, you also have the option to change the lock icon. This one here at the top. If you tap on it, you can see that it brings more lock icon designs. If you don't want any lock design, what you have to do is just tap here and that icon will disappear. And if you want it back, just tap again and that icon will appear. If you want a different design, just tap and you will see that the design changes. Right at the bottom, you also have the option to change the color of the icon. You can select any of these options, and if you keep scrolling to the right, you will see that you have more options. If you tap on this last option, you can see that you have even more colors to choose from. Select any one of this and then tap on done, and you will see that the color of your icon will change. In my case, I like the white one, so it changes to white, and if you tap here outside, it will close that window. The other way to get there, just tap here on the LockStar and then tap on the lock icon, and it will bring the lock icon options. Close this window, just tap outside it and it will close. To save the changes, tap here on save. Let's go to the lock screen, and you can see the design of the lock icon has changed. Well everyone, these are just some of the customizations you can make to your lock screen using LockStar from the Good Lock app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget, give it a like, share it, and subscribe to the channel. There is more customization content coming. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.